Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your avatar in Hytale. So this is the default avatar they gave me. You just come here on the left hand side, click on my avatar, and here you can change everything you want. Let's start with the hair. I'll use this as my hairstyle. We'll come here, we can change our clothes. You can just be in a boxer if you want. I'll just go ahead and have this suit, and here you can go ahead and change what you have on your torso. Of course, you can go ahead and get rid of that as well, and you can choose your over top. I'll go ahead and use this. And now let's do for our pants. We'll have this one, and now you can add a cape if you want, but for these you need to have the other purchase plans. And we'll just come back here, get some shoes. We'll use these pink ones, and now we can go ahead and change our face. If you want, you can go ahead and adjust these. I like this one. Let's add myself some facial hair. Let's go ahead and have a nice mustache and a nice helmet right here. And I think we're ready to go with our pink shoes. Once you're ready, just come here, click on save, and there you go. That is how to change your avatar in Hytale. And if you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. Helps me out as well.